Hello and welcome to Anjali's Bake Affair. I love sweet corn, especially the fresh one that is sweet, juicy and tender. I can have it steamed, I can have it boiled, I can have it in a filling, I can have it in a sabzi, I can just have it on its own, I can have it in a soup and what not. Today, in fact, for breakfast, I made a grilled sandwich and the filling for that grilled sandwich was loaded with this fresh, juicy sweet corn that I just bought from the market, and I thought of making this video for you. So let's get started. For my grilled corn sandwich, I boiled some fresh sweet corn and then I finely diced some onion, capsicum. You can also use grated carrot or broccoli if you like, or maybe even spinach. Then I had some mayonnaise and I used some grated processed cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice. I had black pepper and some mixed dried herbs. So first I took a big mixing bowl, add in the boiled corn. You can also crush it or mash it a little bit if you want, but I like it like this, whole corns, and then add in the onion, the capsicum or whatever other vegetables you're using, maybe carrots. After that, in goes the cheese. You can also use paneer here if you want to. Just bring it together a little bit with a spoon. Add in the mayonnaise and mix it all well. Now the mayonnaise does the job of also bringing the whole filling together, as you can see here. In fact, you could also use some thick cream if you want here, which I am not using, but you can do that. Be careful with the amount of salt that you add into this filling because the cheese will tend to be salty. So I'm adding a little bit of salt. In goes the pepper and my mixed dried herbs. You can also add freshly chopped coriander leaves, parsley if you want to. Do remember to subscribe and to follow me on Instagram at Anjali's Bake Affair. Now mix it all up and our filling or stuffing for the grilled corn sandwich is absolutely ready. Now it's time to bring our grilled sandwich together. For that, the filling is ready. You need some bread slices and you need melted butter. You can use any kind of bread that you like. I had white bread available, so this is the one that I used. Now here what you can do is you can use this butter as generously as you want or even as scantily as you want in the sandwiches. You can butter the sides of the sandwiches on the inside as well. Place and spread a generous amount of this filling and cover this with another slice of bread. Now here is my grilling pan ready. I buttered both the sides very generously and I also buttered outsides of the bread slices of the sandwich and then place the sandwich on this grill plate. Now cover it and close it and let it cook. In my sandwich maker, this would take about 3 to 5 minutes. Now you can also do this on the gas. You can do it on a regular frying pan if you don't have this kind of a sandwich maker. So here is our grilled corn sandwich, ready, sizzling and golden. And it makes for a wonderful breakfast or a brunch or even an evening snack. And set it on a serving platter. Serve it with some ketchup or some chutney and maybe a few salad leaves if you want. Do give this recipe a try. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Let me know how you liked it, and if you make this, click a picture of it and do tag us on Instagram at Anjali's Bake Affair. Till next time, bye bye and enjoy.